That they will not only stay in Clay Como, but also invest in the plant as a far-reaching impact in that area community. Marissa Cleaver explains why other businesses are applauding that decision. Marissa?
The Ford Clay Como plant employs more than 3,700 people. Nearby businesses say keeping those workers there is key to making sure they stay open. Rumors that the Ford Clay Como assembly plant would close had Clay Como businesses nervous. Janet Devine, the owner of Mon Pa's Kettle Restaurant, a half a mile from the plant, watched the news closely.
It definitely would have impacted us. We probably would have had to cut back an employee, cut back our hours, maybe even cut a day or two during the week, just, to keep going.
Ford workers account for a large majority of the restaurant's customers. Fortunately for Devine, she will not lose these loyal customers anytime soon. On Tuesday, Governor Jay Nixon and Ford's vice president announced an agreement to invest $400 million in the plant. Ford will remodel the plant to build a new vehicle there.
I was really excited. I was very happy to hear that they're going to keep it open and do this expansion. It means a lot to Mon Pa's. It means to a lot of other businesses around here.
Devine says the remodeling will actually bring a boost in business.
Whenever they do jobs like this, there's always expansion, so that draws in the contractors from various parts of the United States that come into our business. And then there's the suppliers.
She expects about a 20% increase because of Ford's decision to remodel. Ford isn't saying what new vehicle will be assembled at the plant. Also, no word on exactly when the new line will be built. Marissa Cleaver, NBC Action News.